Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all well and you're able to do the remaining questions of exercise 2.4. If not, then you inform me. If you're having difficulty in solving the remaining questions of exercise 2.4, you can inform me through the comment section or in the WhatsApp group that we have. So today we are going to start another section which will eventually leads to exercise 2.5. So what are the concepts that we need to learn before, okay, so for solving exercise 2.5? So here we have to learn about the solutions of quadratic equations. So do you still remember of class 9 where we find out the roots of a quadratic equation? So this will be like an extension of that. Okay, then again you will get in class 10 too in the general mathematics. So for a quadratic equation, okay, which is denoted by this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Fine, this is our quadratic equation. So where this a should not be equal to 0, that means if a becomes 0, then x square, there will be no x square, then it will not be called a quadratic equation. And all these coefficient a, b and c, okay, so this should all be real numbers. Then their solution will be this one, the roots, okay, not the roots of the equation of this quadratic equation will be x equal to, one of the roots will be minus b plus root over b square minus c by twice of a, and another one is minus b minus b square minus ac by twice of a. So this is our quadratic equation, the solution of a quadratic equation. So ideally, okay, we denotes like this, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice of a. So this plus minus, here we have written them separately. Okay, now you see here, okay, we have got three condition, okay, when the roots are all equal, and when one of the roots is greater than 0, and another is the roots are less than 0. Clear? If it is less than 0, then it is not called real numbers. The roots are not real, we used to say. So this one, b square minus 4ac, the discriminant, okay, this b square minus ac is called discriminant, d, okay. The d of a quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. It determines the roots, okay, whether it is equal. If it is equal, then the roots are equal and real. If it is greater than, okay, if this is equal, then it is called real and equal. Fine. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it is called real and real but unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it is called roots are not real, okay, the discriminant. So you need to, or to say, keep in mind this formula b square minus 4ac. It determines the roots of a quadratic equation. Now we have learned about imaginary. If it is not real, then it could be imaginary. Okay, यही फंडा हम अभी यूज करेंगे. Fine. Now see, if it is less than 0, okay, then the roots of the quadratic equations are not real. It is because, say, if r is a positive real number, okay, say r is a positive real number, then minus r is a negative real number. Fine. And then root over of minus r, this becomes minus ir. ठीक है. Or we can also bring out the I, root over of r. Okay, so now I comes out, so this is called your imaginary. Fine. Now you will have this one. You need to recall your that one. The first I, okay? I cube. I cube क्या है? Minus I B. I square is, I think there should be not minus. Okay, it should be I square R. Minus 1 is there. Okay, then from there I comes out. Okay, so ये I नहीं, minus नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Then it becomes I root over of R. Fine. Now it is obvious that, okay, this b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, if this is less than 0, then this one b square minus 4ac, ये अंडर वाला चीज को हम लोग माइनस कॉमन ले सकते हैं. 4ac पहले लिख लिया, दिस इज प्लस बी स्क्वायर, तो हम माइनस बी स्क्वायर कर दिया. माइनस इंटू माइनस बिकम प्लस minus 4ac. Okay, we are not altering anything. Now root over of minus 1 is what? I. ठीक है, and 4ac minus b square. Now I आ गया, तो now this is our imaginary. यहाँ तक ठीक है? Understood up to here? b square minus 4ac is less than 0. तो less than 0 होने से अंदर वाले चीज को हम लोग माइनस लिख सकते हैं. Okay, we can take common. None come out. Now the roots can be expressed in this way. Discriminant, हम लोगों का discriminant क्या हुआ अभी? This becomes our discriminant. I b square minus 4ac is equal to I 4ac minus b square. So in place of that one, we are going to write this I one. Okay, one of them will be plus I, another will be minus I. ठीक है? Minus b by twice a plus I root over of 4ac minus b square by 2i of a. So we have not done nothing but simply just rewrite it. What was our that one? Plus ये था ना b square minus 4ac by twice a. So this one can be written as what? Minus b plus बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर ए सी मतलब क्या है, आई फोर ए सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर, है ना, बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ ए। अभी हम ये भाग भाग किया, रियल पार्ट, ओके, एंड देन द इमेजिनरी पार्ट, फोर ए सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ ए, सेम एज फॉर द नेगेटिव वन, ओके, माइनस है बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर ए सी बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ ए, देन माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर ए सी मतलब क्या है, आई फोर ए सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ ए, so minus b by twice of a minus I root over of 4ac minus b square by twice of a. So this thing only we have written here. The one another root is what, minus b by twice of a minus I root over of 4ac minus b square by twice of a. Fine. So now those two becomes a complex number, है ना, a plus ib and a minus ib, है ना, और अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा एंड अल्फा माइनस आई बीटा। नाउ यू सी दे आर व्हाट कॉन्जुगेट टू ईच अदर, एक प्लस आई भी है एक माइनस आई भी है, ओके, अल्फा मतलब माइनस बी बाई ट्वाइस ए, बीटा मतलब फोर ए सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर बाई ट्वाइस ऑफ, एंड दिस आर रियल नंबर्स, ठीक है, ए बी सी सब रियल है ना। हम लोगों का कंडीशन क्या है, देखो, that a b c all should be what, it belongs to R, रियल होना चाहिए। So now one of the roots is the conjugate of the other, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। So these are the roots of a complex number, okay, quadratic, okay, solution of a quadratic complex number, ठीक है, solution of quadratic equation in a complex number set. So this is how, if it is less than 0, the roots are less than 0, then we get these two solutions, okay, the imaginary and the real part we can write. तो अभी क्या है एग्जाम्पल देखो, डिस्कस द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस, ठीक है, देन ऑल्सो सॉल्व देम, क्या है, सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस वन इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। नाउ यहाँ क्या है, ए बी सी निकालो, ए इज एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या है 1, एक्स का कोफिशिएंट क्या है b, and c is your 1, a b c is 1 1 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1, then now you find out the discriminant, or b square minus 4ac, so pull out what is b, 1 square, 4ac, 4a क्या है 1, c क्या है 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3, now this is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then this comes out, okay. तो अभी क्या है, use this formula, x equal, so now the roots are x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice of a, ठीक है। so क्या है, b square minus 4ac क्या है -3, ठीक है, तो root over of -1 is what, I, तो I3 we can write plus minus I root 3, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। So now the roots are -1 by 2, one is positive, root 3 by 2, another is negative, 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. Clear? Understood? x4 minus 1 क्या है? This is not a quadratic equation, so we cannot determine the nature of the roots by observing a discriminant. तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे, स्क्वायर बनाएंगे अभी, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ठीक है, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, सो ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी आ गए ना, क्या है, कहाँ है, कहाँ है, सी एक्स a square plus b square. Again this one can be written x square x plus 1 b x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, so one of them will be x square plus 1 equal to 0, another will be x square minus 1 equal to 0. Now x square will be what? Plus 1 goes the side, then it will become minus 1, and root over of minus 1 will be I and minus I. Same, this one will be positive 1. ठीक है, minus 1 उस तरफ गया तो 1 will be plus 1, another will be minus 1. So the roots of the given equations are 1 minus 1 I minus I. अच्छा, ये I कैसे आया दिखाते हैं from here. Okay, what? X square plus 1 x square minus 1 equal to 0. So one of them will be, therefore x square plus 1 equal to 0, or either x minus 1 equal to 0. तो ये क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 1, ये क्या होगा, माइनस 1 उस तरफ गया प्लस 1. नाउ x will be what? Plus minus root over of minus 1. Here x square will be what? Plus minus root over of 1. ठीक है. Now root over minus 1 is what? I. So plus minus I, and then x square. Root over of 1 is what? 1. So this is plus minus 1. So therefore the roots are क्या है, 1 minus 1 plus I and then minus I. Understood? So two of them are real and two are imaginary. Same goes for equation 3. Okay, see what is the quadratic equation? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Find out a, b, c. A क्या है 2, b क्या है 3, c क्या है 5. So now b square minus 4ac. b square मतलब क्या है 3, 3 square 4ac 4. A क्या है 2, c क्या है 5, and then this is 9. This is how much? 40 है ना. So 40 minus 9 is minus 31, less than 0, so it will be not real. So क्या है, b square minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, and b square minus 4ac is what? Minus 31. So minus b क्या है 3, so minus b plus minus root over minus 31. Root over of minus 1 is I, so I root over 31 plus minus आएगा, so one of them will be plus, another will be minus. So minus 3 by 4 plus I root over 31 by 4, and minus 3 by 4 minus I root over 31 by 4. ठीक है, ठीक है. I think you will be able to do. Yes. Now come out the sum and product of the roots. Okay, say the roots are alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta and alpha beta. ठीक है. So suppose the roots of this okay, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, our equation where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c, okay, all belongs to R. Then our alpha, the positive one, okay, minus b plus 2a plus I 4ac minus b square by twice of a, and our beta will be negative, okay, minus I 4ac minus b square by twice of a. Now their sum a plus beta will be, alpha plus beta will be क्या होगा, ये है प्लस आई, ये है माइनस आई, ये तो कट जाएगा है ना. सो दो ट्वाइस ऑफ माइनस बी बाई ट्वाइस ए, so 2 of minus b by twice a, so 2 cancel, minus b by a, just same as for the real one. Now the products alpha into beta will be, multiply कर दो a plus b, a minus b, तो a square minus b square, so b square, a square is what, minus minus become plus, so b square by 4a square प्लस ये रूट ओवर हट जाएगा 4ac माइनस बी स्क्वायर देन बिकम 4a स्क्वायर. ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ में आया. जस्ट वी हैव टेकन दिस इज सी a प्लस बी है ना, ये a प्लस है सेम है. या अभी a देखो माइनस बी प्लस तो ऐसे माइनस आई तो a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो क्या आया अभी देखो 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 what do we have b square by 4a. Okay, 4ac minus b square by twice of a or 4a square d. Then we got 4ac by 4a square. तो 4 कट गया a और बाकी रहा क्या c by a. c by a. So now how for the see here I will show you this one. Okay, it can be written like this one b square by 4a square plus we can break this one 4ac by 4a square minus b square by 4a square. Now b square by 4a square plus and this is minus b square by 4a square. So this one you can becomes 0. तो बाकी रहा क्या है 4ac by तो ये 4 फिर काट गया a और ये काट गया तो remain c by a. So this one only we have got c by a. So the sum of this one is minus b by a and the product is c by a. ठीक है. This is your c by a. तो I think you will be able to solve now question number 1, 2. Okay, question number 1, 2 and then 3. I believe. First क्या है by method of factorization. तो x square plus 4. Something is missing. A plus b whole square formula you can use. Okay, you can apply. Here also you can apply a plus b whole square formula. ये क्या है 3x. Then we have got this one is 16. Oh, no, we cannot. Oh, ये उस तरफ ले जाओ +4 उस तरफ ले जाओ माइनस हो जाएगा. Okay, let's try. दे question number 1. So x square plus 4 equal to 0. क्या होगा ये x square plus 4 equal to 0. So x square ये उस तरफ ले जाओ +4 becomes -4. So now x will be plus minus root over of -4. So x will be plus minus root over of -1 is I. Root over of 4 is what? 2. So therefore, okay, x equal to 2i or minus 2i. Hence the root of the equation, okay, hence the roots of the given equation are 2in minus 2i. ठीक है. Same goes to number B. I will leave you for number C. Okay. So 9x square plus 16 equal to 0. So 9x square plus 16 equal to 0. 9 क्या है? 3x. Wait, not like this. 9x square becomes minus 16. So x square becomes minus 16 by 9. So now x equal to plus minus root over of minus 16 by 9. So x equal to plus minus a root over of minus 1 is I, 16 क्या है 4, this is here, 9 का 3. So therefore x equal to 4 by 3i or minus 4 by 3i. So hence the roots of the given equation are 4 by 3i and minus 4 by 3i. This is 3. Okay, so this is your number 1. Okay, number 2 we need to discuss. This is the example that we did. I will show you number 1. Oh, not like this. I'll show you number 1, then the rest you try to do. Okay, whether you, and if you're not able to do, then you inform me. Okay. So how are your other subject progress? We need to complete, okay, all the syllabus before October. Try to complete it, or if you're able to do by the summer, then that's fine, that is better. So you try harder now. Okay, try to complete as soon as you can. Then by now it is what, March day. So after this chapter, okay, we will be having everyday class. So as soon as for every class every day, okay, you try to finish it by the day when the video is arrive. Don't keep it for the next day because it will pile up otherwise. चलो, given equation क्या है? Given equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. ठीक है. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So here a is how much? 2. B is how much? Minus 4. C is how much? 3. So therefore, okay, discriminant d equal not 4ac b square d minus 4ac. So b square is what? Minus 4 square minus ac is what? 4 into 2 into 3. क्या हो गया ये 16 minus 8 into 3 24. This is minus 8, so this is less than 0. So roots are not real. So if the roots are not real, then therefore, okay, x equal to b square minus b square, or not minus b, right? Minus b twice a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Now minus b is what? Minus 4, b is minus 4, plus minus, this is root over minus 8 twice a is how much? 2, plus minus minus क्या हो गया? 4 plus minus root over of minus I minus 1 is I, and then root of this one is 2 root 2. Yes, root of 8 is 2 root 2. 2 into 2 is what? 4. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Then I think, okay, now you can separate them. 4 by 4 plus I 2 root 2 by 4, or 4 by 4 minus I 2 root 2 by 4. तो 4 4 क्या हो गया? 1. This one becomes 2, है ना? Again they can be cancel out, root 2. तो क्या मिला हमको? 1 plus I 1 by root 2, or 1 minus I 1 by root 2. Fine. So hence, लिखो hence the required solutions are, you can write, required roots are, roots of the equation the are क्या है? 1 plus I 1 by root 2 and 1 minus I 1 by root 2. So this is how you do, okay, equation number 1. Then question number 2. Fine. So now, okay, I'm leaving you the rest of the questions. You try to do by yourself, B, C, and D. Now we'll proceed to question number 3. Okay, why? So what is question number 3 says? If the roots of the equations क्या है? ax square plus 2bx अच्छा बी एक्स नहीं है खाली 2bx दी plus c equal to 0 are imaginary if the roots are imaginary then prove that क्या है the equation ay square plus 2a plus b here our b is a plus b a plus by 2 y's of a plus by plus a plus 2b plus c equal to 0. These are also the root of these equations are also imaginary. We have to prove. Okay, so here a b c are real numbers. Okay. The first equation, okay, it says that it is imaginary, so that means it is less than 0 है ना. So we find out our b square minus 4ac. Okay, चलो. Then same thing for this one also, we find out whether for the second one whether it is imaginary or not. Okay, we will find if it is less than 0, then they are also, this one is also imaginary. Chalo. Solution. Okay, given equation क्या है ax square, wait, a square लिख दिया, ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. So here a to a है, our b is 2b. Okay, c is c. So let's find out our discriminant one or d1. ठीक है. So what is our b here? 2 y's of b, so b square minus 4ac. So now this is what? 4b square minus 4ac. We can take 4 common. b square minus 4ac. Abhi though this one is imaginary. Okay, so you write down, it is says that since, okay, क्या है, the roots are imaginary, so therefore d1 equal to 4b square minus 4ac, this is less than 0. So let, not 4ac, 8, what did I do, 4 we have 10 common, b square minus ac. Okay, only ac. We have taken 4 common. Now let's go to our second, let's come to our second equation again. ठीक है, what is our equation? A y square plus twice of a plus by plus a plus 2b plus c, this is equal to 0. So let's find out d2 will be y का क्या है, twice of ab square है ना, b square minus 4ac, 4ac क्या है, a plus 2b plus c. ठीक है. So now this becomes what, 4, this becomes a plus b whole square minus 4a plus 2b plus c. We can take 4 common. ठीक है, we have to compare with 1 d. Let's take 4 common. क्या होगा अभी यहाँ पे a plus b whole square minus 4a, 4 तो common ले लिया, so what do we have? a plus 2b plus c. Okay, let's break it down. Okay, simplify. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab minus ac. तो a square minus a square 0 plus 2ab minus 2ab 0, तो बचा क्या है b square minus ac. Okay, I did it again. So now same हो गया, right? Our d2 is also becomes d1, and d1 is imaginary, so d2 will also be imaginary. So these things only we have to write now. So see here, equals, all right, what do we find? We got b square minus ac, and full b square minus ac, this is what? d1, and this is less than 0 from 1. So therefore d2 equal d1, this is less than 0. So we can say that hence, okay, the roots, okay, of the equation क्या है? ay square plus 2a plus by plus a plus 2b plus c equal to 0 are also imaginary. So we need to prove, so hence proof. ठीक है, understood? So question number 1 and question number 2 you try to do by yourself. Okay, 1 though how many, only you have got only 1 question, and here you got 3 question. So by evening you complete it today. Okay, then tomorrow I will send you another video. Okay, tomorrow morning, and we will finish it by tomorrow, this one. Okay, we need I think 2 more videos to complete, so we will complete it. So next we will, in the next video we will learn about how to determine, okay, how to determine the quadratic equation. Okay, the from the roots, okay, how we determine, how we make a quadratic equation. ठीक है? So this one, sum of a plus b and a minus b is necessary. Clear? Okay then. Bye bye.